how do you choose the right option? And we're just going to talk about, for the most part, we're going to talk about buying options. Even though buying options, let me just put this out here, is a low probability trade from the get-go, because you're buying a depreciating asset, right? Basically, you're buying one from the time you buy that option. You're basically paying for time. So time is against you as opposed to selling the option. One of the ways that I buy an option, I try to find like a target. Let's use Meta, since I do have some targets already on here for Meta. And you can see right here, I got some Fibonacci levels set up. And you can see it hit right here, the 1618. Now, I got another level up here right around we'll just say 730. Maybe kind of hard to see. I'm going to darken it up so you guys can see that. So right up here around 735, 737, we'll call it 730 to make it easy. What I would do is, that's the option I would buy. So I would try to find that. Right now, Meta, when it closed on Friday, it closed at 627. If I think it's gonna go to 730, that's almost $103 away. First of all, if you're looking at, I would not buy that call option with 25 days. The expected move is only $43. The expected move for 53 days is only 61. 81 days is only 88. I will probably come out 116 days where the expected move is $102. And then buy that call, buy like a leap option. See, right here at the end of the expected move, if we look at now on the TastyTrade platform, I can't say this about all platforms. You have what is called a probability of touch. It's saying that I got a 44% chance of touching this strike within the next 116 days. So even though I think that it's going to go up to that next level over time, I will probably come a little closer and maybe do the 715 strike. And you say, well, why? Because I got a 50% probability of touch. I'm using the math on the platform to get me into the right trade, or at least help me if I'm buying options. If you're doing something, let's say you day trading and you're on like a minute, you're trading. Let's just go to like I don't know, a 30-minute. And you say, all right. And you're saying, I want to trade. I think it's going to the downside. It's going to get down here and hit this level down here at 610. And I think it's going to hit it this week. So 610 from 627, it's about $17. Now, that's something that I can come up here. The expected move for this week is $19 in Meta. That will put you down there around this level. That's confluence. So if I was going to buy put, I would pick something within this expected move. This is why I use TastyTrade. It's the only platform that I've seen that has this on the option chain. Now, you can calculate the expected move, but I want to be inside of the expected move when buying my options, right? I don't want to be outside of normal standard deviation. So I'm inside of this range. Since I got a level right here around 610, then I might buy this one right here at 610, right? Or being as that it's only a 42% probability of touch, I like to be at 50% or higher. So even though my analysis says this, the numbers say that, and I will be right here at 57% probability of touch. And that's what I would be. If I was going to buy a put in Meta, I would buy that. I generally try to find a support or resistance area within the expected move for the expiration that I'm using. If my analysis don't line up with this, then I just won't make the trade. And that's how I pick which option to buy